Hello guys, we're back with James Fight, and I'm sorry we have not made a video in half a year. I've just been really busy, but today this video is all these antiques are from my uncle, and here, let me show you. All of these tools are made out of real elephant tusks, as you can see right here in this bag. I have no idea what this is. If you guys know what this is, leave a comment down below in the comment section below. And leave a comment what this is to let me know. And I honestly don't really know what this is either. So leave a comment down below in the section, the comment section down below, and leave a comment what you think this is. But all the white stuff, same with this, are made out of elephant tusks. And as you can see here, I don't know if this was carved by an elephant tusk or a real elephant tusk. I have no idea. And I do have this one, which was probably a scrap of it, of an elephant tusk. If you can see, like, look at that. And I have a little paddle right here, made out of elephant tusks. And I have this elephant tusk. And also, leave a comment down below in the comment section below what this little metal thing is right here. See that? Just tell me what that is, okay, guys? And this could be an elephant tusk. I don't really know, but it's made out of elephant tusk. As I said, all of these are made out of elephant tusk. Same with this. I don't actually know what this is, so leave another comment down below what you think this is. And let's see what else I got. This little thing, this could be a boomerang or something. So leave a comment down below what you think that is. And another elephant tusk. And here comes the big one. Come on. And here is my whole elephant statue. And if you can see those tusks right there he has, made out of elephant tusk. And I do have some golden boots and such ability, what it used to look like. It wasn't always green, but yeah. And that's probably going to be the end of this video. And James Fight out.